So hey everyone, this is Young256. With me everything is possible. Today I'm going to show you on how to add the snow effect. You know we are in a festival season, and I'm going to put these codes in the description, and it's going to be very easy. Are you seeing these effects? So we in the festival season, so you need to have at least this in your website. So let's dive into the video. But before I dive into the video, still this is Donxtraboost.com. They help you grow your social media. They help you give you subscribers. They help you give you YouTube subscribers, views, watch hours. You want to reach monetization. You need Facebook, you need TikTok, you need Instagram. They have all the services, and trust me, they are very cheap. But let's dive into our video. We need the snow effect. First of all, what you're going to do, you're going to get the code. I'm going to put the code in the description. I'm going to put this code in the description. So you're going to copy the code. Let me first remove, actually, let me first show you after removing the code. Let me first remove the code and you see. Okay, let me first go to the page and then remove the code. Okay, let me first remove the code here faster. Okay, let me remove the code so that you do what, you see it properly, like how to add it properly. So let me first delete the code. Link 239, 239, 239, 238, 239. So let me delete the code. Okay, so let me refresh the page. You're going to see that the snow effects are not there. So you see the snow effects are not there, but we are in the festival season, so you have to make your page look elegant. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to copy the code I'm going to put in the description. Copy it. You copy the code. So when you copy the code, paste it somewhere, or just come direct, go to your cPanel. So this is my cPanel. See, this is my cPanel. I think every web developer you know these things. So you go to your cPanel, type file manager, look for file manager. You can either type it up in your search bar, or you can look for it down here. You will find it somewhere, file manager. But then I don't want to stress myself, so I'm going to just type file in the search bar, file manager. So when you click the file manager, okay, let's click the file manager. So this is going to open. So make sure when this opens, let me first close this moment. So come look for file manager, okay, file manager. So this is a file manager. Go to the public HTML. You can click from here, or you can click here, file manager. So you're going to look for this file. There are different ways. So with this panel, you're going to look for resources. Even if you're not using this, make sure you look for your theme, the theme folder, because resources doesn't matter here. What matters is the theme of views folder. So I'm opening the resources, then views folder. What matters is the theme. So if you have a website and you don't have the views or the what, just make sure you go to the themes folder. So you open the themes folder. You look for the theme you're using. Even if you're using WordPress, even if you're using what, just make sure you find the theme folder and look for the theme you're using. So me, I'm using this theme, the deep blue. So you click the deep blue theme. So here is the science. After clicking the theme, after opening the file of the theme, so you're going to look for this. Let me first see. A moment, not partials. I like. This thing is so stressing. So I can forget also. Like everyone can forget. We are humans. So when you open the theme folder, okay, let's first go back. We'll repeat the steps. Okay, so resources doesn't matter if you don't have this file resources. So you open resources. Then you look for views. If you don't see it, just look for the themes folder. You can even type it up here and look for the themes folder. Open the themes folder. So you open the theme you're using. I'm going to open it. Then layouts. Okay, so you'll find this file. If you can, this file app blade ph something something, you can have any name. It can have any name, but it will end with the php, but it must be in the themes folder. So you're going to edit it. So we are going to edit it. So you're going to come copy the code I gave you where you added it, copy it, slope down to where you have to. Then here I see in this line still have not paste the code. Then save, then close, then come to your website. Let's refresh and see if it has come. So I think you can see the snow effects. Of course, that is it. But before we go, let me tell you, there's Donxtraboost.com. They help you grow your social medias. Trust me, they will help you grow your social media. You need views, you need likes, you need subscribers, you need what? They have everything. They're called www.donxtraboost.com. Okay, with that I sign out. Thank you.